Hi, this is Ron Killian. I'm doing a review on the GALAX Pro Reciprocating Saw and Mini Circular Saw Kit. Full disclosure, I do have two tools from this brand already. The rotary tool, which I love, great, it was a hit. And I also have the sander, which wasn't such a hit. So we'll see what this one is. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll both be surprised. Let's see this inside. Try them out real quick. Box got a little beat up. Wow, look at that. Fancy bag. It's like, I could be professional, huh? But, let's see. That, I'm guessing, is the battery. And the charger hooks up to the cord. No charger, okay. That is the mini saw. That looks pretty good. It's got a laser on it. Also, oh wow, a dust collector. This is very nice. That was one of the things I didn't like about the belt sander, is it did not have dust collection. We'll figure that out in a minute. Guide, I'm assuming for the saw, the mini saw. Blade, kind of helps to cut stuff. And here is the reciprocating saw. It looks pretty nice. This is better manufactured than the belt sander was. And of course, the manual looks pretty thick. Some blades, very nice. Allen wrench, I'm sure, for the saw. Now this kit comes with only one battery, but it is it's supposed to be a 4 amp hour battery, which is nice. Most kits you get 1.5s. So that was, and the only thing I don't know about this is how much more batteries are. So that's something you might want to check on. The whole kit, as we do this, was 124. And what should we do first? Let's hope there's charging the battery. This might be a really short review. I guess that's all the way it goes in. It doesn't go any further. The battery does have a charge indicator. It's fully charged. And putting this in right. Okay, that's not good. Let's try the saw then. Ah, that snapped in. I must have not put that one in far enough. Got a little safety on here. Don't sound too bad. It's a good size. It's bigger than my Dremel. Still like to know where the the dust port goes right here. Very nice. That should be a good spot too. Catch most of the dust. There's a little cutaway there. Hopefully that keeps the dust in that area. I didn't plan on hooking a dust collector up to it, so we're going to have to skip that part. So let's take out the blade here. Got a fine tooth, 60 tooth. That's pretty good for a 4.5 inch blade. And then a 24. So we got a smooth cut and more of a rip cut. So get the Allen wrench out. Now I need to find here's the lock here, I'm assuming for the blade. There, caught. Oh, it probably goes reverse. Might help if you read the directions, huh? This is just like the Dremel too, and I think almost all saws like this. Come on. And yeah, that should be right. And it helps to go the right way. There we go. Blade guard has a lever, which is nice, but it just stays there. That's not the best. Should spring back. Maybe over time. Looks like it's getting caught in the housing. Other than that, well, I don't have it tight enough. Hold on. Goes in quite a ways. Alright, that should do it. That does not sound right. No. Well, I should have opened the box before we did the video, huh? I'm thinking one of these. I think the washers are supposed to be on the inside. So we'll try this again. That makes sense because this one is lock in on the shaft. There we go. Yes, much better, much better. Let's try the laser. Yeah, the laser is pretty bright. I like it. I'm not sure, maybe you can adjust it. It seems like it sticks out a little. You follow the line though. Let's see how it cuts. Not too bad. It could be better, but that is a 2x4. That's quite a bit for a long or for a small saw. If you're cutting 1x or sheets, I think it'd be a lot better. It's got adjustments for bevel, blade. That would have helped if I would have done that first, huh? Laser is nice. And yeah, the dust collection, the dust coming out of there, so that might be pretty good. I wish I would have known that. I would have had something ready to hook it up. And the guide should go on here. The same Allen wrench. So that works pretty good. So you make straight cuts. It could be a little thicker, but it'll work. So now let's try the other reciprocating saw. See if I can get the battery in further this time. I think that might have done it. There we go. Ah, that feels like it's got some power to it. Try one of the blades that came with it. I'm assuming this can be the same Allen wrench, which will be handy. Too bad there wasn't a place to store the Allen wrench somewhere. I don't see on either tool. That's not a big deal. Oh, this is bladeless. Duh. Just like my Milwaukee. Or toolless, I should say. Bladeless. That doesn't. There's power to it. Let's try cutting this and see what happens. That did pretty good. I think it's as good as my M12 Milwaukee reciprocating saw. Feels nice, good handle. It seems pretty well balanced. I like both of them. The saw, I mean, it's a little saw, so we can't really expect that much from it. For $124 for the whole kit, as we do this review, I think it's a good deal. Like, my only concern I mentioned before is how much batteries will cost. I didn't see it in their listings. I'll have to look, see if they have it listed. Other than that, I think it's a pretty good set. I think it's a hit.
Okay. Mini circular saw. It's got a safety switch right here, and then you have a trigger right there. You line it up. This also has a laser eye, but you don't really need it. You can line it up really well. There you go. Pretty darn straight. And it's nice even cut. And the width is perfect for a 2x4. This is a 2x6. Perfect cut for depth. That's about the maximum depth you can get out of this, but
don't do it.
Okay, here we go. GALAX Pro. So everything looks normal, right? Except when I opened up and I took a look at this, you know, the lower blade guard to me is the most important part of a product, you know, because it protects you from, you know, your saw, right? This is metal. This is an old saw, but it's metal. I get this out, everything seems fine, everything's metal, except this plastic POS guard. I'm returning right away. I can't use it.
Este mueble se hizo con esa sierra de Amazon, comprada en Amazon.
GALAX Pro, whatever you want to say. Everything looks good. Everything.